That's Vaughn, my ex.
What?
Well, hi, team. I'd like to introduce you to my grandson, Vaughn. Vaughn is going to be joining us here at Star, and I'll be showing him the ropes. Vaughn, would you care to make a few remarks?
Thank you for the warm welcome, Gramps. Hello, everyone. I just wanted to say I am honored to be joining the Star team. I'll be observing my grandfather for some time and slowly taking over some responsibilities. Star is the leading fashion house in the world, and I'm excited to be contributing and joining this wonderful family.
Get SaltyTV to enjoy your drama feast.